Alright, we're back on this here porch. It's looking good. Got some gutters coming, gonna put them on soon. Right here we got all the wood that I tore out. That was a ramp. And we're gonna do kind of a farm thing here, homestead thing. Not a lot of people probably would do this, but I'm gonna take some of that apart and save some of those bigger pieces. So let's go ahead and tear this apart and see what we can save, including money. This guy thought he was gonna land on me. He was checking me out for dinner. So I'm gonna eat you, mister. Anytime you got an old porch, you usually get all kinds of things like an old nest. I wonder if anything's still living down there. There we go. There's $14 saved in about 5 minutes. Let's keep going. Alright, now you end up with all these screws. You gotta take them out. You will step on them if you don't. There's a 2x6x10, going to be a 2x6x8 at some point. There's another 4 feet of board foot. Another 2x6. Should I save it? of this stuff adds up on a farm. The ducks, they agree. Alright, there's another 2x4x8. $6 saved. Maybe $7, depending on where you live. More free wood. That makes good blocking in your walls. If you're going to mount a handrail or anything like that, you want to keep them short pieces. Save you from having to cut up a bigger one. There. I need to save one. Might even save these and just put them under the shed. Keep the ground dry under there. This one ain't too bad. Just cut that end off and use it for something shorter. They're solid. Two 1x4s. Now, of course, these aren't going to be boards that are visible. Bad ones. Some of them I can paint, but this stuff can all go underneath and be bracing. These are for all kinds of stuff around the farm now. There is 3 1x4s. Just cut that part off. Whew. It's 94 degrees out here. A little gnarled up, but yeah, it's kind of rotten. Okay. Shit pile's almost garbage. I'm going to probably keep this square as a planter. Just going to put new boards around it, like on the sides. And then, of course, clean all the old roots out. Throw a handful of potting soil bags in there, and probably just plant some vegetables, some sort of peppers or something in there. And this is all the wood we got. I'd say we got 4, 5 1x4s, handful of 2x4s, handful of 2x6s. I'm going to save at least 30 or 40 bucks not having to buy 4x4 posts. And I'll pressure wash all this stuff and then seal it with Thompson's before I put it in the ground. So I'd say we saved probably 100 bucks in wood by not throwing any of this away. And even if we don't use it on this project, it will always get used on the homestead. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. See ya.